step into the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tires, 235/55 R18 AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, granite pearl coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, quick order package 21AS XT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24V transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, engine, 3.6L V6 24V STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test